Are you needing a little extra organization? Maybe in your pantry, something on the back of the door. Look what we were gifted. I know it's upside down, but too bad because I already opened it up. I just wanted to show you and put it together down here before we take it into the pantry. Look at these holders. They are nice and big, and I'll tell you, they're very sturdy. And they have hooks on the end. I cannot wait to get all of these out and to get this onto the pantry to see how much it holds. Okay, so now we're in the pantry. Let me show you some of the things that made me kind of wow. Number one, easy. I love easy. So putting it together, they actually give you 4 door holders. No, not because you need all 4 of them, but the width of the door, they actually thought of that. Like a lot of doors are different sizes width. So we got the one that best fits for us. Ooh, I've owned several of these in different homes. And let me show you another thing. On the inside of this bracket, that has torn up my doors. And they thought of putting a little pad in there. So whichever one you're using, stick that pad in there. You'll love it. It also comes with screws. Lots of them. I just put a couple of in my hand. If you want to attach it to a wall, they got you covered on that. But if you are putting it on a door, another thing that drove me crazy is this. Oh yeah, that's a no-go. No, no, no. They thought of that too. Look at this fancy thing. You peel off the stickers here, and once you have all your shelves exactly where you want them to go, then this would slide into place. Peel off the sticker. Slide it into place on the brackets, and then these things actually stick to your door. So no more rattling. It'll actually hold it into place. And they give you 2 sets of these, so you can have a top version and a bottom version. Perfect. Some of the things to think about now. We have it on the back of a door with a pantry here. Now, when you open it, you're going to want to be smart and judge it so it can slide on top of the shelf and not hit one of your shelves if this is one of your areas. So just little things to think about. I love how tall the front basket is, so your items are not going to be tipping over and falling out. I love that. Overall, this one has 9 baskets. And I'm so happy with that. It is going to be able to organize so many items, but this can be used in a bedroom. It can be used in a craft room. We're going to use it in a pantry, but it can even be used in the garage, which maybe I'll buy one for my husband because, you know, that garage is a little messy. There needs to be some organization. But if you're in need of a great over-the-door holder for items to get you more organized this year, this is one that I would choose.